So welcome to part 2, where we're going to do the inside of the 08 Cadillac. So welcome to part 2, where we're going to do the inside of the 08 Cadillac. Trunk's in okay shape. The rear, not so much. Damn, son. Headliner doing alright. Carpet's looking okay. Oh, damn. Dashboard. Headliner a little dirty here. Clean out this cup holder. Trash here for now. Yeah, original mat in good shape. Those floor mats did a good job. Damn. Alrighty. Let's get rocking and rolling here. First product I will be using is Meguiar's Interior Detailer and Cleaner, and no, I am not affiliated with them, but I just like personally Meguiar products. Thought I would be able to do this without battery power, but I'm gonna have to move these seats. there's the dash. Steering wheel, still a long way to go. We'll just keep plugging away. Have some Maguire's leather cleaner and conditioner, which I will use on all the leather once I'm done doing the deep cleaning. So pretty much this is what we're going to do through this whole vehicle here. I use the air to get inside the cracks, around these, inside the buttons, and we'll go through this whole vehicle. Just like that, and I'll see you shortly. Now that we got the seats and stuff done with our cleaner detailer, I'm going to start working on these carpets. Now, first thing I'm going to do is do a heavy vacuum. Then I'm going to do a light soaping and scrub, and then I'll just vacuum that back up. We'll start back here since our seats are already pulled forward. plastic with my cleaner rag that I use for all the seats, so we got enough chemical on it. And clean up all the little plastic pieces. And voila. We're all cleaned up. I'll just repeat the process on the other 3 sides. And I'll see you shortly. Alright, now that we got the floors looking a lot better, I mean, I could get even more and take the seats out and get underneath them, but I'm not going to go too crazy until I get the car running correctly. I need to be working on fuel lines and brake lines and get it moving, just make sure there's nothing else wrong, but I mean, I think we're doing pretty good so far. So the next thing I'm going to do here is I am going to be cleaning the door jambs, trunk jambs, hood jambs, and all the jambs around the car. And of course inside the doors, and here, all the way around, yada yada yada. Just like that, nice clean door jamb. And as I wash the outside of the car, I'll just keep hitting it. And again, I'll do the trunk lid, all the doors, and the hood, and we'll just repeat the process all the way around. Now I will do all the leather seats and some trim on the doors with this Meguiar's leather complete conditioner, cleaner, and protector, 3-in-1. I've never seen that before. That's fancy. But like I said, I like Meguiar's, so give it a shot, see how it works out. Just like that, and I'll repeat the process all the way around on all the seats. Leather wrap steering wheel, I'll hit this piece on the center console, and a couple little trim pieces on the doors, and just follow that all the way around. Now we've got the finished product. I do any more cosmetics of this, I'll start working on mechanical, brakes, fuel lines, etc. So stay tuned.